I hope that you all are doing well. Today we are playing a debate. Our team is supporting government hospital and my opinion team is supporting private hospital. Let's begin.
Yes, the private hospital. What is hospital? Hospital is one kind of house that you can come and do a treatment with the doctor, with the nurses there, and then you can save his hair when you are in the hospital. Hospital is a very big facility in India and over all the world. The private hospital is the very like a big star, big 5-star hotel. You can eat here, you can do treatment, you can do anything in the private hospital.
But sir, you forget that things about the government hospitals. The government hospital is that the which is held by the government. It is free for the poor people, for the middle class people. The first option for the treatment for the poor people and the middle people is government hospital. There is a free treatment, free medicines for the poor people.
Okay, I know the free medicines. Do you know how much flood in the government hospital? Like they are doing a flood. And in the private hospital you can get all the facilities. In the private hospital you can like get the food for eating, you can get the like personal room for the patient, and you also get all the facilities. Do you know?
Okay,
And
ma'am. So, do you know about the charges of the private hospital? How much charges they take if you are taking the food, and if you want to earn good service and good medicines, so you have to pay the maximum and a huge amount of charges. Can you believe this? And in government hospital, you don't have to pay the charges.
Okay, so in government hospital we don't need to pay the charges. I have my own example of my sister. She was not getting a well treatment in the government hospital. When she go in private hospital, she get the proper treatment. Doesn't matter if they are taking the money, they will give you proper treatment and proper service that you need in according to your health.
So what do you think that the bad charges of private hospital? Do you know that is very much than a government hospital? You don't need to pay any single charge of bed. But in the private hospital you need to give a 3,000 per day. Means if you are ill, so suppose they will admit
Do you know what?
for the 15
If you
days.
go to the
But
private hospital, you will be hygienic and more facility as compared to the government hospital. Because when you go to the and you be the humiliate in there because you're not a power. And if you go there, you will be a lot of treatment, a lot of things in the private hospital. And the moreover things about the many kind of person go to there because there's simple reasons. They concern about your health, not a time waste. If you go there, first thing you will see.
My God, they are concerned about their health. They are concerned about the money, and it is a game of business. It's just nothing. And don't fight. Please be focused towards my point. Okay, one thing you need to understand. Do you know what is the rate of the room per day? 6,000 rupees. And I am experienced. That's why I'm telling you on the basis of it that private hospital because everyone is not Ambani like you. Everyone is not rich like you. There are a lot of poor people. There are a lot of people who cannot afford the private hospital. Then what's about them? There is nothing alive for them.
Yes, yes. Listen that. Having a 6,000 rupees per bed charges, but you can get that much of facility which is necessary for each and every person. Even now, I would like to tell you a real truth. In India, 30% government hospital, there is not any oxygen cylinder. There is not any single oxygen cylinder because suppliers don't get money from 5 years. That what even in most of government hospital you can't get that electricity backup. If the electricity will gone, there will many patients got died. Even now, I would like to tell you a great point that in government hospital there is a side business that they take organ from the poor people and they sell that organ in the
so I am not agree with you, sir. I am not agree with you. I give you example of the government hospital. I recently visited the Safdarjung and I saw the many facility in the Safdarjung, and also the Safdarjung had made it by a new building has a Abha building name. Okay, I saw you can come with me and I show you the facility of the government hospital. You can't believe the the government hospital has a like very good facility. You can treatment on yourself. If
Well,
you are
why would
if you
I
are a
go
family,
with-
if
why
you are a
will I
family,
go
if you are a
hospital with
family
you? Why
facing any kind of problem.
I'm healthy, I'm fit, I need medicine. Secondly, you are talking about money. Private hospitals charge money. At least they give you proper facilities. They don't tell you to go sleep at footpath. I will give you medicine over there, and the medicine won't affect your body. This is what you want, and you're talking about that money business only happen in private hospital. What about government hospital? Those doctors want money, salary from the government, but they don't want to give proper treatment to the patient. That is what they're talking about. I don't think so. You are talking about these things because this is not we want in government hospital in free of cost. So you need to, I think, run your mind and talk then because you don't have you don't have proper knowledge and talking about this proper like. I don't
Okay, so
understand.
sir,
this kind
you
of
are
stuff.
talking about that private hospital are big 5-star hospitals. So do you think we need a big 5-star hospital or a place where a weak economic person who is actually poor get cured? Tell me about a good facility of food, a good facility of a room. We need that, or we need a curement. We need a curement. In a government hospital, poor people have a good cure. They actually treating their. You are talking about the hygiene. Actually, a good hygiene in hospital and government hospital. There is actually a good hygiene can actually.
Where is good hygiene? Where is good hygiene? In the market, in the government hospital. The doctor is sleeping, patient is here calling, hello sir, when will you come? What is this in the doctor and patient, between the patient? Do you think about the patient, what they are doing in this hospital? They are died. 5 and 6 children was died yesterday. Do you know about here this news? You didn't. If you will go in private school, private hospital, then you will get a benefit, very big benefit. You will get treatment. You will get anything in this, but you have to pay the rupees.
Okay,
It is.
so you are talking about the hygiene. So let me inform you that the hygiene is very good in today's government hospitals. And if you will go to private hospitals, so there are many side business they are doing. They are just selling. They are just giving the wrong medicines and all, and taking a lot of charges from the poor peoples and all. What about poor
Okay,
people?
who is saying you like they are giving a wrong medicine? Like they are giving a right medicine, and in the government school, government hospital, they are giving a wrong medicine. Do you know? Like I am going like before like 2 or 3 weeks, but I don't have completed my work. Like in the last moment, I have to go in private hospital, and do you know there is not cleanness. Like if you are going the private
As
hospital,
you are supporting the
first
private
of all,
hospital,
you
so why are you not
got
taking example of Gabbar movie? In that we see doctor are getting money from the dead body. This cheap mentality they are keeping their mind. Even they are selling their own medicine to the customer, and they are having a higher commission from them. They are there for they're getting blood of their customers. They are not having a feeling. I mean, they are only
So you are
supporting
talking
the money.
about the government hospital is good and it is cheaper and it is really good according to the medicine and all over things. I really don't think so. In the government hospital, we can found the unhygiene. Okay, for the patient, it is not good, and some patient is suffering
what
from
are you
a
talking
critical
about
situation,
unhygienic?
and still
I
there
don't think
is
so.
so
It is
much
a-
violence
Ma'am,
in the
listen
government
to me.
hospital.
Who
We
said
can
you-
find the
there is
silence in the
a-
government hospital that
I
we can
don't
find
think
in
so.
the
I
private
also
hospital.
visited the government hospital like a Malvinagar hospital, and also there is a more hospital.
So when you think about the money, you know,
please listen to
you
me.
don't
Please
go-
listen to my
You
point.
don't want to go the private hospital because you are concerned about your money. You earn the money for your life. Why don't you spend your money with your things? And moreover things, when you learn the new things, you go to the expensive, prestigious college, prestigious institute. Why don't you go there? There's a many NGO. You know what? If you go there, you will get a lot of things. And this is an example of the private hospital. When you go, you will get a lot of things. Like especially they are about you. They are the many kind of nurse every time are around you to to cure yourself.
Okay, so you are saying that the private hospital is good. So if it's so that the big personalities should go to the private hospital, but it is not. So have you heard that the many big personalities like Amit Shah and Modi are getting cured in private hospital? No, it is not. So you have listened that Amit Shah and all that recently Amit Shah was getting suffered from any disease. So he was.
Yes, ma'am. As you were talking about, there is that private hospital. There's still the medicine from the medicine room. That's a wrong mentality that you are having. See, in government hospital, especially in Mohalla clinic, you can find there's too much that doctor, that those who steal the medicine from there. Even as you're telling about the Gabbar movie and all that, first go and see the Mercer movie, and then you will get to know about
Yes,
the
we have
reality.
seen. Yes, we have
First-
seen.
first
Yes, we have seen.
see
Shut
the
up! Shut up
reality.
your
You will
mouth!
get
Shut
to
up
know
your
about
mouth! Shut up
reality.
your mouth! No one is listening your point. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Smiling, ma'am. Just listen that everyone is not richer like you. Like you are talking about the government hospital and the doctor are saying just go and just have this medicine. I want to ask which hospital you are going. Are you living in this new era? Because in this era, the government hospital has been this much optimized that you can get your treatment in free of cost, which will be cost efficient.